Burping contest.
Can you burp your 80s?
Oh!
Your phone almost flew out of your hand. If you see that, I love fake burping. Can you burp your ABCs? I don't know. I've never tried.
A, B. Oh my gosh, it's sick. You're like, B, C, D.
Wait, let's see. Let's see if Blake can do it. Let's see if Blake.
Oh, so disgusting.
I saw so much air. It just comes all. That's gonna make you sick. You better not puke everywhere because I'm not cleaning it up. So.
Come on. Here, I want it loud and proud, loud and proud, loud.
Wait.
That was fake.
Yeah.
How do you do it so long?
Did you see your face? You're like, wait.
That was so gross.
How do you do that?
Bum, 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 bum.
Like, that should not be able to happen.
I mean, I can take an air, but I don't know how you're just like.
Yeah.
Oh, it happened this one time when I was like drinking Mountain Dew with my parents, and I did drinking Sprite, and then I just went.
But first, I'm gonna take a selfie.
While doing Sprite, and it was just like for like 10 seconds.
Word.
Wait, this is gonna be a good one.
Watch, watch. That's sick! That is sick!
What happened to you? I was gasping for air on that one. I burped. It got the air out of my lungs too. That's
Ready?
so bad.
Do it again. Oh, 1 second. Get sunshine.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Wait, hang on. I can do it.
Amazing.
Oh!
Ready? It looked like you did it.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's so funny. It's hilarious.
Wait.